Preparation. Antarmauna Stage 2. Awareness of spontaneous thought process. You should first of all practice Stage 1 for a period of time in order to become indifferent to external distractions. Technique Stage 2. Sit in a comfortable pose, close your eyes, relax your whole body. Practice Antarmauna Stage 1, that is, become aware of external sounds. Then, after a few minutes, proceed to Stage 2. Switch your whole attention to the thought process of the mind. Forget the outer world. Do not choose any thoughts, let them arise spontaneously. Let all thoughts arise freely without the slightest restriction. Do not choose pleasant thoughts in preference to unpleasant thoughts. Accept whatever comes. Some thoughts may follow a pattern, others may arise which have no obvious relationship with the previous thoughts. You may think about work, you may think about food, you may think about an enemy, or you may wish you could go back to sleep. No external stimuli is required for these thoughts. They are arising from the superficial or deeper layers of the subconscious. Remain alert and vigilant throughout. Be aware, merely observe the thoughts as though they are occurring outside yourself. Continually remind yourself that these thoughts are separate from yourself. Say to yourself periodically, I am different from these thoughts. Every now and then ask yourself, am I aware of these thoughts? Do not control any thought, only watch them. Allow your mind to think anything that it wishes. Do not interfere. Only be a witness. Try to be a detached, uninfluenced observer of all these thoughts. Sometimes the thoughts will be pleasurable, sometimes undesirable. Sometimes they flow like a mighty river, sometimes there will be suppression of thoughts. Only observe. Do not oppose any thought. Allow all emotions such as hatred, fear, guilt, and so forth to arise without resistance. Release all these pent up emotions, but try to remain a witness, a seer, separate from emotions and thoughts. Be alert, and in time, the suppressed parts of your personality will show themselves to you. Combine alertness with freedom of thought. Release all the bottled up feelings and thoughts that have caused you so much pain and suffering in the past. Let them arise and evaporate. Open the door of your subconscious mind. Look inside and remove all the useless mental debris that is accumulated there. Go on watching your thoughts. Then, after 5 minutes or so, become aware of the Chidaksha, the mind screen in front of your closed eyes. This is the screen of your mind on which it is possible to see subconscious visions. Watch the screen very carefully. Do not create anything or expect anything, only watch. If visions arise, merely observe them as a witness. If no visions arise, do not worry, only continue to watch the mind screen with alertness but no expectation. After a few minutes, continue awareness of the thought process. Watch all the thoughts arising unstimulated from the subconscious. After some time, again return to perception of the Chidaksha. Do not be tense, merely watch. Whether visions arise or not, do not worry, only watch. Then again return to detached observation of the thought process. Continue in this manner for as long as you have time available. This is Antar Mauna Stage 2.